Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use artifacts in Stalcraft X, okay? Now artifacts are going to grant you with certain buffs such as, stat bonuses, resistances, and stamina effects, and are basically like a core item of this, game in here, okay? So I'm definitely going to recommend that you get them, soon. First of all, you must place them into an artifact container before their effects apply, okay? So this is something that you have to do. Now, how are you gonna get them? Is by actually, going to the anomalies. Anomalies are this kind of, effects that you can see in the screen in here. This looks like a little ray, right? There are multiple anomalies. This is like a ray where you get electricity. If I, get close, look what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna get kill or damage, as you can see. So you kind of have to be careful and know your way in to kind of pick the artifact very fast and not to get killed. And that's going to be in this area, okay, this artifact or this thing. And then you're basically going to have to buy, craft, or acquire an artifact container. Okay, you can just buy them or craft them. That's actually the easiest one. And then you're just going to have to grab your artifact, which is going to be in your inventory, and put it or drag it in your container. And then that's it. You're going to have your effect from the artifact ready to go, and you're going to have better health, better resistance, and things like that. Thank you so much, guys.